Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. Guys, I have a brand new Kroger updated must-do deals video for July 13th through the 19th. And of course, when I'm actually putting this out, it will be on the 18th of July. So we really only have 2 days left to grab some of these deals, but they are super hot. So these are some really great run deals for you that you definitely want to grab before the sale ends. Alright guys, so before we get going, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. And please, please, please forgive my awful voice. I am dealing with some sickness and I'm having trouble talking, so you just have to make do and bear with me, but you're not going to regret seeing these deals. Alright, so I'm going to jump into the new buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale deals that are happening at Kroger. Real quick, remember you have to buy 5 or more participating items to get that $1 off at checkout. Once you do that, doesn't matter if you buy 6, 7, 8, or 103, you're going to get $1 off per item, and you can match these with coupons, inserts, digitals, anything like that, as well as you can match them with rebate apps. And this is where we're going to get these really, really awesome deals that are happening, and I'm really excited to show you what's going on. Okay, so first one here is the Chic Hydro Silk Touch Up Razors. These are regularly priced $5.99, but they're on sale for $5.49. Mega sale for $4.49. Plus we have a 4-off-1 digital coupon. Final cost is going to be just 49 cents for these. What a really, really awesome deal here. Alright, we have a ton of laundry deals happening with the all laundry detergent 36-ounce bottles. Now these are regularly priced $4.99, on sale for $3.99. Mega sale for $2.99, and we have $1.50 off one and save $7.17. So your final cost is just $1.49 for these, which is a pretty good price for this. But if you like the Mighty Packs, we're going to have a little bit better of a deal here. Now these are also $4.99, on sale for $3.99, mega sale for $2.99, but we have a little bit higher value insert coupon for 2 off 1 from save $7.17. Final cost just 99 cents each. Really great deal here. We also have some deals on Snuggle. So Snuggle Scent Booster is an amazing price. These are regularly priced $3.99, on sale for $3.79, mega sale for $2.79, and we have a 2 off 1 and save $7.17. So your final cost 79 cents each. Wow, this is a really great deal. We also have the Snuggle dryer sheets. Now these are regularly priced $3.79. They're on sale for $3.69 each. Mega sale for $2.69 and $1.50 off one and save $7.17. So your final cost is going to be just $1.19 each. Now we have that same coupon that can work on the fabric softener or conditioners that are regularly priced $4.19. They're on sale for $3.79. Mega sale for $2.79. Again, you can use those coupons from save $7.17. Final cost is going to be just $1.29 each. So regardless of how you put these deals together, it's amazing. Not a bad deal here on the Nut Pod Cinnamon Swirl Oat Creamers. You have to grab 2 of them for this particular deal. They're regularly priced $5.99, but they're on sale for $5.49, mega sale for $4.49. Out of pocket, you will pay $8.98, which is kind of high, but you're going to get back $5.99 from Ibotta when you buy 2. It is a limit of 1 time. So your final cost is $2.99 total, or just $1.50 each, which is a pretty sweet deal. We also have a deal on the Crest Adult Toothpaste. So there's a lot of different ways you can put this together. As you can see, there's 3 different digital coupons that are 5 off 2. They do actually work on the same toothpaste, so you can have a couple of options. And then we have a couple of different Ibotta rebates to go with this. So, pick out what you want, whether you want the Densify or the 3D white toothpaste. Grab those. They're regularly priced $7.49. They're on sale for $6.99, mega sale for $5.99. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon, so when you buy 2 of them, you're going to pay $6.98. Then you can submit to Ibotta for $2 back on one, limit of 3 times, so you get $4 back. Final cost $2.98 total, or just $1.49 each. Considering these toothpastes are almost $8, this is a really, really good price. All right, so that's all I have for the mega sale updates for you. Let's talk about some brand new Kroger deals that are going on that you can find throughout the store. You do not have to buy a minimum of 5 or anything like that. So let's check out these deals. First deal, I'm not real sure how you say this. I'm going to probably butcher it, but Ivisia eye drops. I'm sure I said it wrong. They're regularly priced $12.99. They're on sale for $10.99. You do have to pay that out of pocket, but Ibotta has a rebate for 5 back on 1, and Kroger Cashback also has a rebate for 5 back on 1. So you're grabbing these for just 99 cents. What an amazing deal here. We also have a really, really great deal on these Hoist IV level hydration drinks. They're regularly priced $2.19. You will pay that out of pocket, but you can then submit to Ibotta for $1 back on 1. It's a limit of 5 times. And then Kroger Cashback also has a rebate for $1 back on 1, limit of 5 times. So your final cost, just 19 cents each. You know, I have a son who in about 2 weeks is going to start band camp here, and we're going to need some really good drinks for him to take. So I'm definitely going to be stocking up on these. I'm going to grab all 5 of them for 19 cents. You cannot beat this deal. I'm super excited about this one. All right, so I was kind of bummed to see this one is not an actual freebie, but it's really, really close. So the Justin's protein bars, they're regularly priced $2.49. You pay that out of pocket, then you can submit to Ibotta for $2.29 back on 1. It's supposed to be free, but it's not. It's actually going to cost you 20 cents, but still a good deal. If you're wondering where to find these, you're probably most likely to find these in the refrigerated sections near the yogurts. That's where I would look. Definitely look at the very top shelves, because a lot of times they're hidden way up there, but you probably will find those around that area. Next deal we have is the Skittles Theater Box Candy. These are regularly priced $1.25. Pay that out of pocket. Submit to Shopkick for 410 kicks. 10 of those are scan kicks. It equals out to be like $1.64 or something like that. Final cost is going to be free and a 39-cent moneymaker. What a really sweet deal here. Next deal has to do with our 5-time weekly digital deals. So you want to grab one of the Angel Soft Mega Toilet Paper 8 count. These are regularly priced $7.99, on sale for $6.49, but they're going to be just $4.99 with the 5-time weekly digital coupon. Also make sure you have loaded the $1.50 off 1 digital coupon. Now remember, the 5-time weekly digital is a store coupon that you're pairing with another coupon that is a manufacturer coupon. They will stack with each other. So the final cost for at least one of these is going to be $3.49, which is a really great price for this toilet paper. I would definitely grab your one there. And of course, if you want to max out the deal, the rest of them will be $4.99 each. Okay guys, thank you so much for staying with me and my awful voice. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Hopefully you enjoy the last 2 days of this mega sale. If you haven't seen the ad preview that I did on Saturday, go check that out. We're getting a new 5-time digital coupon sale that you definitely want to see what's happening there. Have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys.